Hey everybody, look at this camper. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a Spartan because I see it written on there. And this is my friend Billy, who doesn't want to be on camera,
Hey,
but
guys,
I talked to him
on camera, but I normally get paid to be on camera. But enjoy yourselves.
Okay, so he's going to tell us about the camper. What year is it?
This is a 1955 Spartan Manor. It is a 228 with a 26-foot box on it.
So the 28 is the length?
It's the total length.
Okay.
And 26 foot is the size of the camper itself.
Do you know what it weighs?
It weighs roughly 6,000 pounds, slightly less than 6,000 pounds.
It looks heavy, yeah. How long have you had it?
About 8 months. Haven't done hardly anything to the outside. We've been working on the inside a little while. The inside is probably 95% original. There was a little bit of issue on the very back that we had to do some creative woodworking with. But other than that, the inside is pretty much original, other than the way we've got it decorated and fixed up. And I'm very blessed and very honored just to be the keeper of this camper until I can pass it on to somebody else.
And you want to show us inside?
Yeah. Let's go back here to the bedroom. This bedroom has got the most homiest grandmother's bedroom view.
Oh, wow. Got the little parasol. Look at this. So that's just a vent up top? Is that just a vent at the top?
Yeah,
do you have air conditioning?
Haven't had air conditioning put in here yet.
You got the built-ins over here. Is that just a regular storage closet right there? Because it doesn't look real deep.
Closet, and it houses the plumbing for the shower.
So it must be deeper than it looks.
Not very much deeper, but a little bit.
Okay. The lace curtains really too make it look cozy. And is that a queen size?
That's a queen bed.
Ready for the wine. And you got your chenille bedspread and old luggage down here. And then here we come into the living area. But first we'll see the bathroom. Anything you want to tell me about the bathroom here? Is this original, these walls?
The bathroom is all original. It was originally yellow. It was kind of dingy yellow, so we did replace all the vinyl walls with new vinyl. But the sink, the tub, and the commode is all original to the trailer.
And it's a porcelain toilet.
It is.
Wow. And look at the sink. Now you can't see this light, and I don't know if we turn the light off if you can see it, but I want you to see. There you go. See that work on there. I remember those from when I was a kid. When it was turned on, all you see was bright light. And the original medicine cabinet.
Yeah, the mirror's a little faded, but I'm gonna keep it.
That's okay. That's character. I love it.
And this is only the second time we've had this camper out, so it's a work in progress, and it probably always will be.
As they usually are. Is that the original refrigerator?
That is a new refrigerator.
Wow.
That made it look old.
Really? So I've seen the retro ones, but I haven't seen one like that.
That is a retro one.
Wow. And is that half of that is freezer?
Bottom part freezer, upper part refrigerator.
Wow, that's a lot. Big. Looks like you're having a wine party in here.
We are.
No food.
No food.
We had a potluck, guys, so they're not going hungry. Look at this. Tell me about this statue.
I gave that wooden carved statue mermaid to my wife for our anniversary. I think it was our 40th anniversary at Myrtle Beach, and wrote a poem for her, wrote it in a bottle, and there she is.
All right, and what about this table here?
I love barley wood. That kind of wood just, there's some things in life that just trick your trigger, and that just tricks my trigger. Any kind of barley wood, I'm a woodsy man.
And this furniture, is this not original, right?
Oh, no.
It just looks like a fancy parlor. Yeah, in a formal house. Now, how much of this, like, you have to pack all this up when you're towing?
Just the stuff that you see kind of out. The furniture pretty much stays where it's at.
It doesn't slide around?
I know I've got rubber coatings on the bottom so it doesn't slide around.
Okay, so I don't know if you heard him. He's got rubber on the bottom of the furniture legs so it doesn't slide.
That's the unique feature there. That's our little 21-year-old poodle That
what? Oh, this.
that
21 years old, he
he's
said.
going to heaven now, but we bring him with us. This is the second trip he's been in with us in the camper.
Oh, so you've got his ashes in the box.
Yes.
Okay.
And all his little friends.
Okay. This is very unique. Even the way it's decorated is very unique. I love these things up here. Remind me of the old Christmas things. And the old lights. Are all the light fixtures original?
No, I'm going to say these are probably 70-ish, maybe light fixtures, but they actually look good in here. They kind of go with the camper.
And now, do you use that stove and oven? Do you know if it works?
I haven't hooked it up yet. Just looking at it, we've had it apart a little bit. It looks like it probably is well functional. It's just that I haven't taken the time to go through it and make sure it's working.
Make sure there's no leaks.
Yeah.
That's cool. All right. Do you want to tell me what your favorite thing about this camper is?
The camper itself is kind of speaks for itself. I don't know what it is about old campers, old boats, old dogs, and my wife.
You're not calling your wife old, are you?
But no, I'm just like I said, honored and blessed to be the keeper of this thing just for a short period of time, and we've only had it several months, and this is only our second trip in it, and we absolutely just love being out with a group of people like this.
So you're going to sell this?
No.
Okay. Well, thank you for showing it to me. And everybody be sure to hit that thumbs up if you haven't already. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.